Sharge Capsule Gravity. Meet the Sharge Capsule Gravity, the ultimate efficiency tool for your modern lifestyle. With its innovative time management feature and high-speed charging capability, this productivity timer is your perfect companion for work, play, and everything in between. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks or simply trying to stay focused, the Sharge Capsule Gravity has got you covered. Plus, with its ultra-portable design and versatile compatibility, you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring that you stay charged and productive no matter the situation. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or enjoying some leisure time, the Sharge Capsule Gravity is there to help you make the most of every moment. Sonos Roam 2 speaker. Next up, we have the Sonos Roam 2 speaker, your perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're hitting the beach, going for a hike, or simply lounging in your backyard, this portable speaker delivers exceptional sound quality wherever you go. Thanks to its advanced acoustic engineering and automatic True Play feature, you can enjoy crisp highs and deep resonant bass no matter where you are. And with up to 10 hours of continuous playtime, you can keep the music going all day long. But what truly sets the Sonos Roam 2 apart is its versatility. Switch between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, control your playlist with your voice via Alexa or Apple AirPlay 2, or use the Sonos app for enhanced features. So whether you're a music lover, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys good sound, the Sonos Roam 2 has got you covered. MagicMount magnetic water bottle and phone holder. Experience unparalleled convenience with the MagicMount magnetic water bottle and phone holder, the ultimate solution for staying hydrated and connected on the go. With its hands-free phone mount and secure bottle attachment, this holder ensures that your essentials are always within easy reach, whether you're driving, hiking, or running errands. Plus, with its versatile and functional design, including a double-wall vacuum-insulated bottle and flip-up straw, you can enjoy your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature without missing a beat. Available in 2 sizes and compatible with a wide range of devices, the MagicMount is your perfect companion for everyday adventures and outdoor excursions. Select Beauty Beam. Let's talk about skin health with the Select Beauty Beam. This gadget uses red and blue LED lights and infrared beams to reduce acne, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkles. Red LED lights reach deep into the dermis, reducing signs of aging, while blue light penetrates the skin to reduce hyperpigmentation. Use it daily for around 15 minutes to see results in 4 weeks for acne and 7 weeks for wrinkles. The device is lightweight, portable, and charges via USB-C. NOBEL 2.0 Ergonomic Kneeling Chair. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to improved posture with the NOBEL 2.0 Ergonomic Kneeling Chair. Designed for optimal comfort and posture support, this chair is a game changer for anyone seeking relief from back pain and improved sitting habits. With its U-shaped gel memory foam pillow and pressure relief ergonomic cushion, the NOBEL 2.0 offers unparalleled comfort and support, allowing you to sit for extended periods without strain or discomfort. Plus, with its versatile design and active sitting feature, you can comfortably sit in various positions, promoting flexibility and freedom of movement. Whether you're working at the office, meditating, or simply relaxing, the NOBEL 2.0 accommodates your preferred posture, ensuring that you stay comfortable and productive throughout the day. Bold 2 Power Bank. Say hello to the future of portable charging with the Bold 2 290-watt power bank. This fast-charging power bank fuels all your devices at lightning speed, even charging your MacBook Pro 16-inch at 140W. With an upgraded OLED screen and chips, Bold 2 enhances safety and power delivery. The American aircraft-grade anodized aluminum body provides optimal heat dissipation and shock protection. Charge up to 6 devices simultaneously and take advantage of wireless charging and MagSafe compatibility. This power socket in your pocket includes 4 USB-C ports, 2 wireless connections, and MagSafe compatibility for smartphones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. Enjoy the sleek, portable, patented design that redefines your on-the-go charging experience. This revolutionary device is a must-have for anyone seeking fast and reliable portable charging. TreePod Spacious Hanging Nook. Escape into nature with the TreePod Spacious Hanging Nook, your personal oasis away from home. Whether you're looking to relax, unwind, or simply enjoy the sights and sounds of the great outdoors, this hanging pod is the perfect retreat. With its unique design and ample space, the TreePod offers a cozy and comfortable environment where you can kick back, put your feet up, and let the stress of the day melt away. Whether you're lounging solo or inviting friends to join you, the TreePod provides a tranquil and peaceful sanctuary where you can truly connect with nature and rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Betta SC Robotic Pool Skimmer. Keep your pool pristine with the Betta SC Robotic Pool Skimmer. With its innovative design and powerful debris removal capabilities, this autonomous cleaner ensures that your pool remains crystal clear with minimal effort. Whether it's leaves, dust, or other debris, the Betta SE can handle it all with ease. Plus, with features like prolonged operation, dual charging convenience, and smart obstacle detection, you can enjoy cleaner water and free up your time for more important things. So say goodbye to manual pool cleaning and hello to hassle-free maintenance with the Betta SE Robotic Pool Skimmer. AnkerWork S600 AI-powered speakerphone. Let's kick things off with the AnkerWork S600 AI-powered speakerphone, a true marvel of modern technology. Imagine a speakerphone that not only delivers crystal clear sound, but also doubles up as a wireless charging stand for your phone. With features like AI-powered voice filtering and environmental noise reduction, this device ensures that your calls are always crisp and clear, no matter where you are. And let's not forget about its ultra-fast wireless charging capabilities, which not only keep your phone juiced up, but also adjust call angles to ensure you're always in view. Plus, with a 16-hour built-in battery life, you can say goodbye to those mid-meeting charging woes. With its premium metallic surface and high-density neatly woven mesh, the AnkerWork S600 is not just a speakerphone, it's a statement piece for your modern workspace. BLUETTI SwapSolar Ecosystem. Elevate your outdoor getaways with the BLUETTI SwapSolar Ecosystem. A powerful system that combines renewable energy with cutting-edge technology to keep you powered and comfortable wherever you go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or embarking on an off-grid adventure, this ecosystem has everything you need to stay connected and comfortable. With features like effortless battery swapping, LifePO4 powered cooling, and BLUETTI app control, you can enjoy reliable power and cooling solutions on the go without sacrificing convenience or comfort. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the great outdoors with confidence, knowing that the BLUETTI SwapSolar ecosystem has got you covered. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge laptop. Get ready to step into the future with the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge laptop. Equipped with the Snapdragon X Elite processor and advanced NPU, this laptop is a powerhouse of productivity and performance. Whether you're creating, communicating, or entertaining, the Galaxy Book 4 Edge has you covered. With its advanced AI integration, crystal clear 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen display, and intuitive touchscreen navigation, this laptop is designed to enhance your workflow and elevate your entertainment experience. Plus, with long-lasting battery life and ultimate connectivity options like HDMI, USB-A, microSD, and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, you can stay powered and connected wherever you go. So say goodbye to laggy performance and hello to the revolution of PC performance and productivity with the Galaxy Book 4 Edge. HOVERAir X1 now. Let's elevate your photography game with the HOVERAir X1, a pocket-sized self-flying camera that takes your photo and video experience to new heights. Capture every moment flawlessly with precise tracking and robust computer vision algorithms. Burst mode and real-time preview let you capture high-quality footage with ease. The camera is lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for your adventures. Share your incredible content effortlessly with the companion app. With the HOVERAir X1, you'll be capturing stunning moments like never before.